thank you for being a friend. In this video, I'm gonna share my piece de resistance, my beautiful Golden Girls wreath that I made to sell for charity this year. I started with a great big old wreath, the biggest one I think I could find at Michael's. And then I found the pictures of our fabulous friends in a book from Target. And so then I went ahead, and underneath these flowers are tons of different balls that I got from Michael's. The bells I did get from a discount store. And I have sprays, and I have Merry Christmas signs throughout. These are actually a pair of earrings I got at Michael's, and I just clipped off the top. And of course, Miami pop stickers that I went ahead and hot glued on, little mirrors, snowflakes. The details are just endless. I really went a little wild with this one. Here's another picture of them hugging in the kitchen. I got some Italy stickers. So that one says authentic Italian cuisine, because we all know that Sophia said, picture it, Sicily. I just love that. I have some Florida back here, and I also have little hidden, I don't know if you can see, like palm trees throughout. I use these beautiful golden flowers from Michael's and some of the white and gold poinsettias. I really wanted to just use a ton of gold, although there is some silver and like this snowflake embroidery patch. And yeah, so there's another little palm tree, and I just have little, snowflakes throughout. There's another one of those earrings. I really had a lot of fun with this. One of my favorite things over here is this little, oh, I forget the name of it. What are those birds called? I can't remember. If you know the name of this bird, please put it down in the comments, like on the tip of my tongue. But so cute. The pink flamingo, I got it, okay. And like little palm trees, and so I just absolutely try to get it all in frame here. I absolutely love this. This is for the Golden Girl lover, the Cheesecake lover, the Stanley Spornack lover in your life. And I hope it sells. I don't know if it will. I kind of hope it does, to raise a little money for this fabulous homeless shelter here that does a lot of really good work. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you try making your own Golden Girls wreath for your family or friends or charity this year. Happy holidays, and for real, thank you for being a friend, ladies. I love you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.